Thank you so much, TV84, for having your admission today over here in this protest against Prime Minister Modi's barbaric policies. It has not been since 2013, but for Sikhs, the fight is running since 1947. But since 1984 has been an extremely strong admission of genocide which has happened against the Sikh community altogether. But for the last 7 to 8 years, ever since Prime Minister Modi has taken up his position as the head of state, the situation is turning down. Many of the research and the think tanks have produced their reports, and they have openly condemned the role played by Prime Minister Modi and his government, his ministers, and including all the Hindutva and Hindu groups which are included in lynching. The Christians are being killed, the Muslims are being killed, they are being targeted, their businesses are being targeted. So over here today, we can see that not just the Khalistan organizations or the organizations who are supporting peacefully and non-violently for the independent Sikh nation, but there are also many of the organizations which are in support of the farmers' protest, which has been 10 months, are still on. And as one of my colleagues, Sardar Jogga Singh, pointed out, that it's extremely shameful for Prime Minister Modi to come over here in this democratic institution of the United Nations and talk about terrorism, point towards Pakistan. But why don't you take up the matter to resolve India's internal conflict? Ever since you have taken the position, the things are turning down, things are turning bad. And unless and until these internal conflicts are not being resolved, these matters will be taken up every single day. And all these peaceful protests, as you see that, United States is a country on the US soil. The Constitution grants us the permission under the peaceful rights, under the amendments 1 till 15, all of them are there. And we are pursuing all of our rights in order to bring our matter into the notice of the US government. And I thank all of our members from the Sikh groups, the members from the Indian American organizations who have come over here to protest against Prime Minister Modi's barbaric policies. And we hope that US government will take up this matter into their active notes, and the President of the United States of America will speak with the Prime Minister Modi on this subject on an extremely close note. Thank you so much.